What if I told you that unlocking the prosperity you've always dreamed of is within your reach? Imagine using ancient wisdom, passed down through generations of Buddhist teachings, to align your energy with abundance and attract unexpected wealth into your life. This is not about superstition or mere wishful thinking. Instead, it's about harnessing the profound power of intention, ritual, and symbolism to create a life of fulfillment and success. In today's journey, we will delve into the transformative practices that merge spirituality with practical action. From the hidden powers of cloves and bay leaves to the miraculous properties of cinnamon-infused wish paper. These tools are more than just objects. They are the keys to channeling your inner energy and opening doors to opportunities you never thought possible. Are you ready to uncover the ancient secrets that could change your life forever? Let's begin. Buddhism, often perceived as a philosophy of detachment and simplicity, contains profound wisdom about abundance. At its core, prosperity in Buddhism is about understanding karma, an energy, the essence of how our thoughts, actions, and intentions shape the vibrations we emit into the world. Karma is not merely a ledger of good and bad deeds. It reflects the energy we choose to align with. By consciously cultivating an environment enriched with symbols of wealth, protection, and power, we create fertile ground for prosperity to manifest. The Buddhist perspective on abundance begins with intentionality. Every object we interact with holds potential when imbued with meaning and purpose. The three items we will explore: cloves, bay leaves, and cinnamon-infused wish paper serve as powerful tools for aligning our personal energy with the universe's natural flow of prosperity. These items are not superstitions but anchors of intention, magnifying our ability to attract abundance through symbolic and energetic resonance. The power of intention and ritual. In Buddhist practice, intention is everything. Objects on their own lack inherent power, but they become potent when charged with focused energy. Each of the three items carries specific attributes and significance, making them tools for tuning into the vibrations of prosperity. 1. Cloves, a shield of protection. Cloves, with their rich history of spiritual and energetic protection, are small but mighty. These aromatic spices have been used for centuries in rituals to repel negativity and invite positivity. When placed under the bed, cloves form an energetic shield, creating a space where positive vibrations can thrive and flourish. To use cloves effectively, select high-quality cloves. Choose whole cloves with a strong, fresh aroma, as their integrity symbolizes their energetic potency. Place them with intention. As you position them under your bed, focus on your goals, and visualize a barrier that wards off negativity and invites abundance. Renew regularly. Replace the cloves every 2 weeks to maintain their energetic effectiveness, taking time during each renewal to express gratitude and reaffirm your intentions. Example: a woman in Sri Lanka shared how her financial situation changed dramatically after incorporating cloves into her daily ritual. She credited her success not only to the cloves but also to her consistent practice of gratitude and visualization, which amplified the cloves' energetic effects. 2. Bay leaves, the symbol of victory. Bay leaves have long been associated with triumph and success, dating back to ancient Greece when victors wore laurel crowns. In modern spiritual practice, bay leaves are used to attract opportunities and dissolve obstacles. Placing 3 bay leaves under your bed channels this energy, aligning you with the frequency of achievement. Steps to harness the power of bay leaves. Choose whole, fresh leaves. Intact leaves symbolize wholeness and readiness to manifest success. Focus your intention. Visualize specific goals as you place the leaves under your bed. See these goals materializing in your life. Burn a wish leaf. Write your wish on a bay leaf and burn it. As the smoke rises, imagine your intentions reaching the universe. Story: in ancient Greece, bay leaves were seen as divine. Modern practitioners continue this tradition, finding that bay leaves amplify focus and clarity. A businessman shared how this simple ritual helped him secure a major deal. Attributing his success to the focused intentions he set while using bay leaves. 3 cinnamon-infused wish paper, manifesting dreams. The combination of cinnamon's prosperity-enhancing properties with the ancient practice of writing intentions creates a uniquely powerful ritual. This method brings together physical, emotional, and spiritual energies, amplifying your desires and aligning them with universal abundance. Here's how to practice this ritual. Write your desires clearly, on a clean piece of paper. List your wishes in detail. Be specific and positive. Sprinkle with cinnamon. Dust the paper lightly with cinnamon. Visualizing the spice infusing your intentions with the energy of wealth and prosperity. Place under your pillow. Sleep with the paper under your pillow. Allowing your subconscious mind to absorb and manifest your desires. Personal insight: a Buddhist monk shared how this ritual enhanced his ability to manifest opportunities. By combining meditation and visualization with cinnamon's symbolic properties, he experienced heightened focus and synchronicity in his efforts. While these items hold inherent symbolic power, their efficacy can be enhanced by integrating additional practices into your daily routine. Gratitude meditation. Gratitude is a powerful vibrational force. Begin and end each day by expressing thankfulness for what you have, and for the abundance you are manifesting. This practice not only raises your energy but also reinforces your intentions. Positive affirmations. Affirmations such as "I am worthy of prosperity," and "abundance flows effortlessly to me" help reprogram the subconscious mind. Repeating these phrases daily strengthens the belief in your ability to attract wealth and success. Decluttering and energy cleansing. Create an environment that invites positivity by regularly decluttering and cleansing your space. Use incense, essential oils, or sound to purify your surroundings and maintain a high vibrational atmosphere. Moon rituals. The full moon is a time of heightened energy. Charge your cloves, bay leaves, and wish paper under moonlight to amplify their vibrational potency. This ritual reinforces the connection between your intentions and the natural rhythms of the universe. Detachment. While intention and focus are crucial, it's equally important to release attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe is working in your favor, and let go of any resistance. This openness allows your manifestations to unfold naturally and effortlessly. Eliminating limiting beliefs. Beyond rituals, true transformation requires addressing internal barriers. Limiting beliefs, those ingrained thoughts that tell us we're unworthy, or incapable must be identified and replaced. Steps to overcome limiting beliefs. 1. Recognize negative patterns. Observe your thoughts and identify recurring themes of scarcity or self-doubt. 2. Replace with empowering affirmations. For every limiting belief, create a positive counter-statement. For example, "I'll never succeed" becomes "Success is my natural state." 3. Heal emotional blockages. Techniques like emotional freedom techniques, EFT, or guided visualization can help release past traumas tied to money and success. 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with people and environments that inspire growth and reinforce your belief in abundance. Example: a man who struggled with financial insecurity for years discovered that his scarcity mindset stemmed from childhood experiences. Through consistent visualization and affirmation practices, he gradually reprogrammed his beliefs, paving the way for unexpected opportunities. By integrating these practices with the rituals of cloves, bay leaves, and cinnamon-infused wish paper, you're not only attracting prosperity, but also cultivating a mindset that sustains it. This comprehensive approach ensures long-term alignment with the flow of abundance, opening doors to opportunities you once thought unattainable. The practices we've explored today are not just rituals. They are the stepping stones to a life of prosperity and fulfillment. By combining the symbolic power of cloves, bay leaves, and cinnamon-infused wish paper with complementary techniques like gratitude meditation, affirmations, and energy cleansing, you're creating a holistic system that aligns you with the universe's flow of abundance. But remember, the journey to abundance requires consistency, faith, and an open heart. Each small step, whether it's placing cloves under your bed or releasing limiting beliefs, brings you closer to the prosperous life you deserve. So, take action today. Declare your intentions to the universe by writing in the comments, "I am a magnet for prosperity, and I'm ready to receive all the blessings the universe has to offer." Let's walk this transformative path together. Like this video if it resonated with you, subscribe for more empowering insights, and share it with others to spread the energy of positivity and abundance. Until we meet again, may your life be filled with light, success, and boundless prosperity.